Oh, it's about time.
I think this is the biggest amount we've ever had. We usually have like 50 cars. 27 cars down here today. Look at this. All right, now I want to, just so everybody knows, it is going to be very loud. So make sure you have small children. You may want to get back a little bit, you know, plug their ears.
I'm going to need you to back up over to the stage. I got to bring you.
Alright, now everybody on the crowd, get your cameras ready.
Okay, if you must be around here, please plug your ears. And it is going to be.
It is going to be loud.
I'm back. We got one more, Mike. Hey. Right here. We can't take no more, Lou.
I know, we have never had this many.
Okay, turn around. You go there, we're good.
Alright. Quick announcement.
Hold on.
Alright, Henry, I got some important announcements to make, so stop talking. Alright.
I got one more to bring in.
Alright. Now, let me tell you about this. The Boy Scouts have the walking taco over there if you're hungry. They also have hot dogs, brats, pop water, anything you want to eat. Troop 121.
I can't believe you can do that today.
Right behind, right across from us on Center in Washington. So
I have him go right here.
Get something to eat. Get something to drink.
Here. I got Mike. Right up there. Excuse us, please. All right, right up. They're not going to move. Look at that. Back up.
This is the most cars we've ever had. Definitely.
Okay.
It is the weather. Beautiful day. Brought to us by ABC 12.
Lou, you got to help me because I can't count. I can't see my toes.
Yeah. All right. 10 cars.
We have the largest number of rappers here ever.
Yes.
Okay.
Record stuff.
Because he showed up first, we're going to start with this guy right here. You ready now?
He's all warmed up.
You warmed up? Give her hell. Let's hear it for car number one.
All right.
Come on, give a round of applause.
He was the first one to show up.
All right. Hey, look, can I get a little GTO going?
A little GTO? That's a lot of work.
I know. Okay, are you ready? Your car number two, what's your name? Steve what? Steve Gray, where you from? Hey, we got a young man from Auburn. Steve Gray, what year? Let's see, 66 GTO. You ready? Warm her up. Let's hear it for Steve from Auburn. Yeah.
Henry, did you notice the Pontiac emblem headers up the side?
Oh, I did. That's sweet. That is. All right, car number three. I guarantee you're going to get ahead.
Is it the in the Vega?
All right, Vegetarian. You ready?
Oh boy.
Fire up.
Get ready because it's going to be loud. You won't be able to hear us.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
That was loud with my ears plugged, Lou.
Yeah, mine too.
Hey, lady, here we got a pretty Oldsmobile, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, that thing is pretty.
It's a 1940. It's owned by Bill from Midland. What do you think, Bill? You ready? Let's hear from Bill for a minute. Yeah. You know, Lou, we haven't had a push rod go through a hood yet.
No.
I'm a little upset.
Today could be the day.
Yeah. We got Billy from Bay City with his 68 Nova. You ready, Billy? All right, let's hear it from Billy. Hey. Okay, we got this A&T Cadillac. What do you think, huh? Woohoo! All right, we got a little Zonlac kid. You ready? Let's give it to him for the Cadillac. I gotta let you know, this car didn't even run a week ago. He bought it and brought it here. Let's give him another round of applause. Oh, look at this. 30 black SS Monte Carlo. So pretty. You ready? You don't look like that. Never mind. You ready? Give her hell.
I feel like that one hasn't been over 25 miles an hour in a while. Looks like it was a little, it's rough. Got it good and cleaned out now though, so he's ready.
Oh, Lou, great news just happened here, folks.
Yeah, tell us.
We just brought the radiator down. The first 80 donations get a hat. So fill that radiator for us, all right?
Wow, that is impressive.
All right, now we're going to go to the Chevrolet pickup over here. All right, where you from?
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's Michael.
Mike's from Bay City. He's got himself a 78 Chevrolet pickup. Let's go.
Here.
Well, let's hear from Mike. Hey. All right, look at this pretty G8 that he's going to rev the motor up and blow it up. No, just kidding. From Grand Blanc. Welcome to the big city. All right, let's see what you got here. All right, let's hear it for this guy right here.
Yeah, Grand Blanc.
And last but not least, it's a Jeep thing.
It is. You wouldn't understand.
You wouldn't understand. Yeah, give her hell again.
I feel like you're helping him, Henry. Yeah, you may have had the mic a little close to the
Wow.
exhaust. It sounded really good, though.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
It sounded good.
All right, I'm going to walk around to each car, and by applause, we're going to determine who the first and second and third runner-up are, and we'll go back through and have them hit their car one more time.
We'll have them do it all at once, too.
And
That's always
stick
fun.
around. We're going to do all the cars at once, and we're done.
All right, before you do that, Henry, let me talk about this stuff.
All right.
At